Hello learners, welcome to the last module of search engine optimization, and the name of this module is off-page SEO techniques. During the last few weeks, we talk about search engine optimization and various techniques of search engine optimization with reference to the on-page SEO. By the time, I hope that you all are well versed with the concept of search engine optimization and various techniques used for search engine optimization. So under this module, you will specifically learn what is off-page SEO, what are various techniques of off-page SEO, and what are various tools available for off-page SEO. So with an aim to learn something new, let us begin with understanding various off-page SEO techniques. What is off-page SEO? As I already discussed, off-page SEO has to do with promotion methods of website beyond website design for the purpose of ranking a website higher in the search results. In simple words, off-page SEO refers to techniques that can be used to improve the position of website in a search engine result page by some techniques outside the web pages. Primarily, off-page SEO is a link building process or getting link for your website. But it's not limited to link building only. It's more than that. We will discuss various dimensions of off-page SEO in a while. Dimensions of off-page SEO. Off-page SEO has three dimensions, and these dimensions are link building, social media, social bookmarking. Let us discuss them one by one. Link building. Basically, by building external links to your website, you are trying to gather as many votes as you can in the favor of your website, so that you can bypass your competitors and rank higher in the SERP. Actually, when you have higher number of links from other websites, this is an indication to the web crawlers that your website is important. That is why others are linking to your website. What is an external link? An external link refers to a link given to your website by other websites. For example, if the link of my website is hosted on Swam website, it is an example of external linking. The entire focus of link building process is securing a link for your website from other websites. However, in SEO process, an external link from quality web pages only matters in the eyes of Google. Now the question is, how to check the quality of a web page so that you can genuinely start making efforts to secure the quality link. These are the parameters that will help you to assess the quality of a website or a web page. Age of domain name, backlink profile, domain authority, page rank, follow link and no follow links, quality of the content. Now let us discuss them one by one. Age of a domain. In simple words, domain age refers to the amount of time during which a domain name has existed, or how old a domain name is. It is always suggested that SEO masters should attempt to have backlink from the websites having old domain names. In case of old domains, there are high chances that they have built a reputation over a time and have better linking profile. The age of a domain will also help you in case you are planning to buy an existing domain name through the auctions from the domain registrars. Now let me show you how to check the age of any domain with other details. Go to the site smallseotools.com/domain age checker. The link is given in the description as well. Here you can add up to 10 domains. Let us say I want to check the age of amazon.in domain name. Click on check domain age. Here are the results for your domain name, the date on which domain was created, the date on which domain was updated, the expiry date of the domain, and finally the age of a domain. The present domain is more than 14-year-old. You may also check more information related to the domain if interested, like IP address, name servers, history of the domain, and registrar. Backlink profile. Backlink refers to a link a website gets from another website. It is just an external link. Backlinks play a very important role in search engine optimization. The number of quality backlinks for any website represent the quality of a website and are assigned high weightage when it comes to the ranking of websites. Therefore, backlinks secured from websites having good backlink profile is always good for SEO purpose. The question is how to check backlink profile of any website like yours or your competitors. There is a very good tool called rf.com. Let me show you. Go to the website rf.com backlink checker. Enter the domain or URL of a website of which you want to check backlinks. I am checking my university's website. Click on check backlinks. Here is the backlink report of a website. Let us understand it one by one. First is the domain rating. According to RF, domain rating shows the strength of a given website's overall backlink profile. It is measured on a logarithmic scale 1 to 100, where 100 means the strongest. This is the number of total backlinks for this website, quite impressive. And there is a number of referring domains. You can further check detail of all the domains or URLs. In free version, it shows only 10 backlinks. This is a referring page from where the link has been hosted. It also shows the domain ratings and URL rating of the referring page. You can also check the other details like anchor text and top 5 anchor text. All these statistics will help you to identify the quality of a website. You can also use the tool to check the backlink profile of your own website. So we have discussed two very important parameters to assess the quality of websites and web pages, and these parameters were age of domain and a backlink profile of a website. So these two parameters are very important from off-page SEO point of view. I also discussed various online tools to assess the age and backlink profile of a given website. So I will advise you make use of these tools and assess the age of domain and the backlink profile of a given page. So let us understand rest of the parameters in the next video.